What's up, YouTube? I just sold another set of Star Wars Thermal Detonator electronics. Electronics that are gonna allow somebody to make one of these. It lights up and it beeps. This is what I sold. That's just the electronics, so the internals. And you can see all the LEDs lighting up. And the switch. And that will be turned into one of these. Pretty cool cosplay prop. Takes a little bit of 3D printing and some cleanup, and you'll have one of these along with the electronics. The link is in the description if you're interested in buying one of these.